know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I am coming out with a video for you guys. I know it's been a minute. I know I have not been making a lot of videos recently, but the holidays were just super busy for me. I was just doing everything, but it's come to a point to where I'm a little lax right now. You know, everything's all chilling, big chilling, but school is starting up again next week. However, I'm not really taking that many classes because I'm almost done, so we're gonna cop it up for the boys. So videos will be pouring out a little bit more frequently because I have more videos planned out as well. After this video, I will be going downtown because there's a vintage pop-up. I want to record that. It'll be super sick. Can't wait for it. Also, I will be pulling up a pickups video right after that one, and it's a big one, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a lot of stuff. This is probably gonna be my biggest one. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of stuff coming on the way. But right now, what we're gonna be doing is an unboxing video, also a review, and an on feet, because I know you guys love these type of videos. The Yeezy Lumbar video has skyrocketed up in views. Thank you guys so much. It is at like 3.3 or 3.4K views. Thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. It really forces me to make more videos like that because I know you guys love it. We're gonna get right into the video, and before we get into this video, make sure you bump a like for the kid. He is making a comeback. He's putting out more videos, and also this review will be super dope because it's one of my favorite shoe models, and I love making on feet videos for this shoe. So we're gonna be doing that. And also subscribe to your boy if you have not already. It only takes about like 0.5 seconds to subscribe to this video, so go ahead and do that right now. So click it down below if you love videos like this and want more, and also ring the bell to get notified whenever I do come up with a video. Yeah, let's get right into this real quick. All right, so what you guys see right here is a Jordan 1 box. Nothing crazy, nothing too special. You guys seen it before. I have done it before. I have done this specific shoe model before. Yes, 9.5, so true to size. If you guys are getting an Air Jordan 1 OG, I would recommend going true to size, especially if it's like more of the recent pairs. They run true. I don't think they run anything big, and I don't think they run any small. So yeah, true to size on these babies. And I did pay resale for these shoes, not gonna cap. I sold my box logo a while ago. It was a navy small hoodie, and it was the bandana box logo. Sold it for about like 700, and bro, I just cashed it in and I got these and more stuff on the way. So like I said, that will be in the pickups video. But yeah, here they are. It is the Air Jordan 1 Royal. This is the 2017 version. So not like the 13 and not the 01, but this is the 17 version. The reason why I got the more recent version, because every single year they come out with like better and better quality. This is like one of the top tier quality made Air Jordan 1s. I wouldn't say it's like compared to like the Shadows or the Breads or anything, or the shattered backboards, but this is still like top one like quality right here. As you can see, it does have the Nike Air on the tongue because it is an OG shoe. We rock with OGs, nothing else. But if you do rock with non-OGs, that's also fine as well. I do too. You see the bottom right here, it's all blue, royal as in royal blue. That is the colorway. And you see how there's just black, blue, and then white midsole. So you can't get any better than that. It can go with a lot of outfits. Usually what I would do with this, I would probably rock a vintage tee and then like some black jeans, and then throw these on, and it'll make the shoe pop out a little bit more because it is a vibrant color. So I do have the black laces on these. I will show you guys the blue laces. It did come with the extra blue lace. However, I would rather prefer just the black laces because I think it just looks a little bit better. It makes the blue stand out a little bit more. So that's the reason why I only have the black laces on. Yes, and I did tie it just like this way because I don't really tie my shoes like that, and I just feel like it's more comfortable, so it's not like super snug on my foot, but it's like, you know, you have room, but it fits perfectly as well. And if you guys look at the inside, it is the Nike Air. So if you guys don't want that rubbing off or fading, obviously put some Scotch tape over it and never remove it because you don't want it peel it off, because that would be bad. But yeah, I mean, you got the little Air Jordan right here, making sure that the light doesn't reflect on it because it's like super shiny right now. There really isn't much to say about this shoe. It is a Jordan 1 Royal 2017. You guys probably already know what the shoe is. Jordan 1s have been like popping everywhere nowadays because it's just like this hyped up shoe that everybody wants. And I mean, I don't blame them. It's a good shoe. It's like it's one of the best shoes, to be honest. In my opinion, it is the best shoe. But a lot of people would argue that, you know, Jordan 4s might be better, Jordan 11s might be better, 6s, whatever your preference is. Obviously, your opinion is your opinion. In my own, like I said, I prefer the Jordan 1s because I think it just is the perfect shoe with the high cut, and the colorways that they sometimes come out are just flawless. So, especially with this pair doesn't like have any glue stains or nothing mismatched. It's a perfect pair. So yeah, Jordan 1s have always been on their A game as of recent, so that's why I love copying them. But yeah, I did get the 2001 pair a long time ago in SneakerCon, but I have mentioned before that I wasn't really satisfied with it. It was not really wearable. When I put it on, it felt like I was like touching the ground. I was not really happy about that, and I ended up selling it, and I was like, yo, let me just toss that. I'm gonna get something else. But we have returned with the 2017 pair, like I said I was, and I kept true to that, and obviously I have it now. Can't wait to put it on, can't wait to show it off. I'm probably gonna wear this to the vintage pop-up or something, but hey, you know, do what you do. Nothing really much to say about this shoe. It's a Jordan 1, such a great shoe. I can't wait to wear it. There's a lot of things I would love to put an outfit with. We're gonna save that for the on-feet footage. So thank you guys for watching. I know it has been a very busy holiday, but they're done now, they're over with, and school's starting next week for me. But I won't be too busy, so these are gonna come out more frequently. Like I said, there's gonna be a vintage pop-up that I'm gonna film, and there's gonna be a pick-us video that I'm gonna also be filming. So yeah, that's already 2 videos lined up, so you guys are gonna get content no matter what. So leave a like on this video if you love me making videos like this, and also subscribe for more content like I usually say in every video. Ring the bell to get notified. You already know what the deal is, and I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Driving solo, I'm just swimming through my hands. When I'm sober, I just know like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I was sober for an hour, but I'm rolling off a bean now. The drugs they give me confidence, I'm saying what I mean now. The Xannies help me slow up, and leaning help me speed down. Ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', I won't hit it, cause she beat down. Calling, yeah, she calling, yo, bitch got me on the speed down. Gotta do the rest, I look at faces, don't see no stops. Granny in the 6, you cannot trust, I never know now. Spiders, that's the dark, now my doggy in the dark. They say I'm on the come up, but I've been on the come down. See me doing good, they start to hate, that's how it goes now. I don't know why they mad at me, I always get 10 toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swimming through my hands. When I'm sober, I just know like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I remember being a kid, my teachers told me I wouldn't be shit. Diamonds in my pinky look like water, made me see.